Hi everybody! Happy fall! Today I wanted to show you how to make a really easy painting on glass. I know it looks complicated, but it's really not. You're gonna need a glass frame. I got this one from Michaels. Acrylic paint, paintbrushes, and a coloring page. I downloaded this one from coloringo.com. Just make sure whatever image you download is free to download. I will leave the link from where I got this in the description in case you guys want to use the same one. Start off by taking apart your frame and placing the glass down on the picture. Just remember that whatever picture you use will turn up backwards on the final painting. So if you make something with writing, make sure you flip the image first. I will also be resting my hand on a tissue so I don't make too many fingerprints on the glass. And now all I'm gonna do is color it. I'm not going to add as much detail as the original drawing, but I'm still going to add plenty of colors. If you do want to add more detail, just make sure you add those first before adding the rest of the colors. Now just have fun, be creative, and paint it however you want to. Before finishing off, I'm going to add a base color to some of the painting, just to make sure I got all the spots. Once everything dries, I'm going to put the frame back together. now for the moment of truth. Thank you guys for watching!